Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's Muriel here. I thought I'd come on and share with you some embellishments that I'm making. I have discovered a lot of chipboard pieces that I have, lots of tags, lots of pumpkins, just a bunch of little random pieces that I'm trying to work through, some of which were some larger pieces like this that I just folded over into, let's see, and sewed them on my machine, like into like a banner type. This is some real stiff paper, and it was from last year, so I kind of went downstairs on the sewing machine and just sewed it. And I thought I was going to share with you how I am making some of these embellishments. I'll show you one here. I am just using the witch hat, this die cut spell book, another die cut. Oh my goodness, something is sticking to me. Goodness. There's a cauldron. I put some green gems in, a little cupcake with an eye on it, and then the word creepy. Again, it's on that folded paper that I had. I stitched it and then put some of the faux snow from Dollar Tree on top. So let's go ahead and make this one here. I kind of took this little tombstone and put some black and some black stars, and this is from this here, excuse me, everything is just sticking, from enamel stars from Jelly Bean, and they are somewhere. Here we are. I have to, if I don't, put stuff back in the pack as I use it. I typically don't do that. So these here, so I just put those on the tombstone, and I distressed it with the black ink. I have a chipboard pumpkin and a chipboard bat that I just glued together. And this is a Halloween die cut that I got a long time ago from a Etsy shop. I bought a bunch of little ephemera pieces. So I was thinking of putting that right there, the tombstone right here, and then the bat right there. So let's go ahead and get started. Only thing I need to do is glue stuff down. I have some foam adhesive on the back of everything. Of course, me and my sister are online. We do this every weekend. She went downstairs to the kitchen. She's going to make a musubi, so I'm going to help her do that. I said while she got everything ready, I would start this here. So tombstone is down. Now we're going to, and I like to leave the backing, the paper on the back of the bat so it doesn't be too sticky. So I'm going to glue that. Let's see here. Like so. Okay. Let's put some hot glue down. I had to bring out my long glue stick because I've been doing a lot of gluing and I kept having to change it. Okay, move that over some so you can see where it says be afraid. And then lastly, same thing, just going to put that one. Let's see here. I just kind of want to sort of have it on the paper. So I'm trying to determine where that's going to go. Okay. So we're going to put the glue right here. As I was going through my Halloween stashes, I have so much stuff. I just cannot open up a new paper collection and do anything. I need to work with these things that I have and make these embellishments. So there is that one all done. So I'll show you some other ones that I made. I showed you this one, and then I made this one here. I have a house with some kids that are trick-or-treating, and look at the ghost, as if he's out the house saying, don't come in this house. And then it says Halloween here, and then there's a piece of candy. It's from this pack here. I don't have the packaging, but it had candy on it, or maybe I just stuck the candy on here just to keep it safe. And then I have a bat on top of the house with some jimmies. And this one was some double-sided paper, and someone gifted me some tulle with crepe paper, and she made some ruffles with it, so I just cut a piece of that off, and the house is on a piece of chipboard. And then lastly is this one here. It has the skeleton. The pumpkin is on a spider web die cut, and then another ephemera piece from Etsy with a orange star, and this is on a bat paper, and I designed it the long way. So really cute embellishments, you guys, that you can use on cards, you can use on tag flips, you can use on altered paper bags, however you choose to use them. I hope you pull out your stash and get to playing with some of your goodies as well. Have a great day. Bye now.